In this box here I have the Sony 15mm f1.4. I'm currently filming this on the Sony 11mm f1.8, and the reason I'm getting this 15mm lens, even though it's only a 4mm difference, I'm finding that I'm recording with the 11mm zoomed in to 1.4, 1.5 times quite a bit. So I think I'm gonna prefer the 15mm, partially because it gets me that angle of view that I want without having to zoom in, but also I think the extra 2/3 of a stop is gonna be nice for low light situations, as well as getting that blurry background look that I really want. As you can see right now, this is wide open at f1.8 and the background ain't that blurry. I am a little concerned because there's no padding or packaging in this. It's just the loose lens inside this big box, so it's probably fine. There it is, the Sony 15mm f1.4 G lens. Alright, so I'm going to leave the camera where it is, and I'm going to throw this on and not zoom in, and let's see how it looks. Alright, so what do you guys think? This is the 15mm f1.4 recording now, and this was the 11mm that was recording before. I think that looks a lot better. There's definitely a lot more of a blurry background, and the field of view is exactly what I want without having to zoom in. That Sony autofocus is amazing.